Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to do spaghetti and meatballs. Spaghetti and meatballs? I mean, what kind of cooking show does something so mundane? I mean, this is stupid. Tonight it's spaghetti and meatballs. Everything from scratch, from the sauce to the noodles. All right, let's add it. Olive oil, butter, garlic. Okay, 3 cans of San Marzano whole peeled tomatoes. And then you're going to want to cut them up. Not too badly because you're going to crush them later. And then, of course, add wine and stir. Wonderful. First thing, you take your ground sirloin and sausage and mix thoroughly. And then you add your spices, white pepper, cayenne pepper, sage. And then you're going to put some cornmeal in there as a binder. And an egg, of course. And then, of course, I have them measured out at 3 ounces apiece. And then you make your little snowballs. Look how beautiful they came out. And then you're going to be putting them in the oven, 350 for not even an hour. Just keep an eye on them. Volcano. Eggs. Whip them all together, throw a little water in there, make a snowball. Excellent. Then, of course, the usual roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold, roll, fold. And of course, until it gets all sticky and everything, and then you roll the whole thing out, cut it up, and then you're going to want to separate them, and then flour. Most important, of course, hang it up. You know how I like things, a bed of raw greens. This is spinach, olive oil, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, a little salt, a little pepper, Asiago cheese. Simple is best. Okay, time for the shiitake mushrooms. Stir your pasta, of course. I had to change the pan because I needed the pan for my pasta. So I put my sauce in a saucepan, crushed them up, and it's been simmering a while. Looks wonderful, by the way. You'll see in a minute. All right, and then, of course, turn over your shiitake mushrooms so they don't burn, and get ready to suit up. Here we are. All right, make a little hole. Noodles. Meatballs. Wow, don't they look nice? And then, of course, the marinara sauce. Look at that. See, simple is best. Just let it do its thing. And then, of course, the shiitake mushrooms on top. Fresh basil, Asiago, citron, your bread, of course, and weapons of destruction. Spaghetti and meatballs with shiitake mushrooms and fresh bread, of course. Who says cooking's hard? Anyways, have yourselves a treat. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.